Welcome to another video in Travel Small Live Big's Campground Favorite Series, and welcome to Beehive Campground, just outside of Page, Arizona. The campground is operated by the National Park Service and is all first come, first serve. There are 21 dry sites, most long and level enough for any size RV. The campground recently had 15 additional sites added, all designated obvious sites with rock-lined parking areas, rock-lined outdoor patio areas with picnic tables and fire rings. The National Park Service online info hasn't quite caught up with the improvements, as there is a pit toilet and garbage bins here now. In the spring of 2025, sites were $14 a night or $7 a night with the Senior Pass. And the trails, wow! The Beehive Trailhead is just outside of the campground. The trails meander in and about the incredible red rock formations and are well marked. And the views, well, the views towards the hills and towards Lake Powell are just amazing. The pros? Well, for us, the price, the long level site, the views, the trails, the proximity to Page, the beauty, self-service, and frequent ranger drive-thrus. And Page? Well, a visit to the dam overlook, the art installation called Boiler Tube Slot Canyon, the very cool and informative Carl Hayden Visitor Center adjacent to the Glen Canyon Dam, and oh hey, check out that bridge that we towed our little home on wheels over, and Horseshoe Bend just down the road. For people without dogs, Antelope Canyon, and a whole lot more. The cons, some traffic noise from Highway 89, and at night headlights from vehicles leaving the Wahweap South entrance shining right at us. And what is this area famous for? Wind. Yes, very windy here. For us, it was a perfect spot to park, enjoy the views, the trails, and a little bit of what the area has to offer. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave us a comment so we know you're here. As always, thanks for watching.